Solo asegúrense de cuidar sus manos y sus pies. Y si por alguna razón necesitan dejar la fiesta, favor de acudir a uno de los increíbles miembros del equipo Disney Theater. Muchas gracias y disfruten la fiesta.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Hello, everyone. Hope you're ready for a party at Mickey Mouse. Hope you're ready for a party at Mickey Mouse Club. It's time to welcome our good pal Mickey Mouse and all his friends.
It's the Mickey
Club. It's time to welcome our good pal Mickey Mouse and all his friends.
It's the Mickey.
Everybody, our good pal Goofy!
He's not here. Oh dear. Oh, help him, Daisy!
She's not here either. Oh gosh, how about Pluto?
I don't know what to tell you, Mickey. Nobody's here. Oh, hi everybody. DJ and party planner and a whole bunch of other things around here.
Where is everybody?
I don't know.
Oh my! What do we do?
Oh, I know.
What?
Let's go find them.
Buttons and bows! That's a great idea!
Sounds good to me, but I'd hate to leave everybody here alone.
We don't have to leave them here. Say, do you want to come along with us to find Goofy, Daisy, and Pluto?
Best dance moves because we're taking this party on the road.
Lead the way, Sam.
Luckily, I used to be a tour guide.
You don't say.
Yeah, let's go.
Looks like everybody's late for the show.
Come on now, we can't take this slow.
Come with us, we'll search high and low.
Get on your feet, let's go, go, go.
Everybody, let's go.
Let's go, go, go.
Gotta go house to house. Me too. Let's go inside. Goofy! Goofy!
Gosh,
You're late for the party.
I am? Gosh. Let me turn off the water.
Okay.
Oh, wow! I think something broke.
Hey, I can help. I used to be a plumber.
Really?
Wait right here. I'll take a look.
Makes me want to move around.
Come on, folks. We're rhythm bound.
Can you hear the groovy beat?
Yeah.
Come on down, move your feet.
Okay.
Clap your hands and feel the groove.
Get on, let's rock the moon. Join us for the bubble bash.
That's how we can big big splash. It's around the show style.
The bubble bash.
All these bubbles are making me laugh. I'm at this mist in a flash.
Now we're in the bubble bash.
Stop your feet and wave your hands.
Dance around and show your style.
This might take a little while, especially if we conga. To the bubble bash. We all made a big big splash.
Glad you had a lot of fun.
I suppose the job is done.
Hey, it's time to go find Daisy.
Gosh, let me change and I'll meet you back at the party.
Everyone say see ya, Goofy.
See ya, Goofy.
Next stop, Daisy's house.
Let's go. It's a party, so get loud. When it started, we'll find out. It's a house party.
With Mickey Mouse.
We all go rocking, there's no doubt. We're all fast, so much in store. Put your hands in the air and let's go, go, go. Everybody, let's go, go, go.
Almost there. Go, go, go.
Find Daisy.
Go, go, go.
Every time, let's
Go, go, let's go, go, go. Daisy! Come on in. I need your help.
Gosh, it's kind of dark in here, Daisy. Can you turn your lights on?
I can't. The power went out. Oh my!
Hey, maybe I can help. Luckily, I used to be an electrician.
Gee, what can't you do?
My own taxes.
Where? Here. We can't find you.
Boy, it's really dark.
Hey everybody, I'm working on getting the power back on, but I still need your help. If you see Daisy, shout, Daisy! If you see her, okay?
The lights are off. I cannot see.
What will we do?
Keep looking!
Gotta look over here. We gotta tiptoe over there. We gotta beep everywhere. Where's Daisy? Mickey, Minnie.
Thanks for getting the power back on, Sam.
It was just a blown fuse.
You're so handy.
Say, Daisy, we need to get you to the party.
But first, we have to go find Pluto. You go find him. Let me tidy up, and I'll see you there.
Last stop, Pluto's house.
Let's go.
House party.
So get loud.
When it started, we'll find out it's a house party.
With Mickey Mouse.
No talking, there's no doubt. We'll have a blast, got so much in store. Put your hands in the air, 'cause that's snow, snow, snow. All right, everybody, put your hands up to the sky. Try to catch all the snowflakes. Nice, Winnie. Nice. Okay, we better keep this party moving. All right? You ready? Everybody, let's go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Yeah, it is such a cute little show.
He's under the snow. Hey, I think I can hear him.
We gotta get him out of there.
I can't even find the front door. What should we do?
Beats me. It never snows in Southern California.
Oh, goodness, it's cold.
I wish we could warm up.
Sam, I've got an idea.
Uh-huh.
Hey, you're a DJ.
Yeah.
Maybe you can play some hot tunes?
Hot tunes. Let's try this, Mickey. Hey, maybe that'll help the snow.
Great idea.
On our way, Pluto. All right, everybody. You see these thermometers on either side of us? We gotta raise the temperature in here. So I need all the kids out there to get up on your feet and show off your best dance moves. We gotta bring the heat if we're gonna melt that snow. Come on. Come on, baby. Bring the heat. So move your feet. Let the beat take over your body. Come on, Pluto. Come on now, you know what to do. It's up to me and you. There's only one thing that can break us through. The ice. If we work together, maybe we can melt the snow. Temperature is rising, we're moving to the beat. We gotta melt the snow. We're running out of time. Hurry so our friends can leave. The snow is far too deep. Need to bring more heat. Think I see the sun on the horizon.
Come on, don't stop. Give it all you've got. Almost there.
Seas rising in the air. We got the best thing to break us through. The ice. If we work together, I know we can melt the snow. Hi, Pluto. We did it. We're running out of time. Let's hurry up to Mickey's. We gotta melt the snow. Say it, melt the snow. Melt the snow. Louder. We gotta melt the snow. Melt the snow. Melt the snow. We found you, Pluto. We'll see you back at the party.
Lead the way.
Everybody run.
Keep it going. Keep up, Mickey.
Woo. Now that we found all of our friends, let's get this party started.
And now, here he is, everybody. Our good pal, Goofy. And of course, Pluto. And now, all here together.
This is the first time, this is the place. Me and my friends are so excited.
home when I get home.
I like this one. So long worn out from Mickey Mouse. No, this is in California. Yeah, it just ended. There's different times throughout the day. Today's last showing was 4 o'clock. It was very cute. I really enjoyed that show. Okay, be prepared. I'm gonna be probably going live later tonight to watch the Paint the Night Parade and Wondrous Journeys fireworks. It'll be at 8:45 and then fireworks are at 9:30 and I will be going live for both. I will see you then, all right? Bye-bye.